Google Maps versus OpenStreetMap, which is better for you? When comparing Google Maps to OpenStreetMap, OSM, there are significant differences in terms of ownership, data sourcing, functionality, and use cases. Here's a detailed breakdown. 1. Ownership and control. Google Maps, owned and operated by Google, it is a proprietary service. Google controls the data, features, and APIs, and users must comply with its licensing and terms of service. OpenStreetMap, OSM, a collaborative, open-source project. Anyone can contribute to or use the map data freely under the Open Database License, ODBL, making it a community-driven map project. 2. Data sourcing and accuracy. Google Maps, the data is sourced from a mix of professional cartography teams, local businesses, government sources, and user contributions. It's generally accurate and reliable in most parts of the world, especially in cities and developed regions. However, some updates, like new roads, can take time. OpenStreetMap relies entirely on crowdsourced data contributed by users. In some areas, particularly rural or developing regions, OSM can be more detailed and frequently updated, as local contributors have direct involvement. However, in other areas, the data can be less consistent due to the volunteer nature of the project. 3. Customizability. Google Maps, limited customizability due to its proprietary nature. Developers can access the Google Maps API, with associated costs, to embed maps in apps and websites but must follow strict guidelines. OpenStreetMap, highly customizable. Users and developers can access, modify, and even host the map data themselves without restrictions. This makes it highly popular for niche applications and projects requiring specific data manipulations. 4. Features and user interface. Google Maps offers a wide range of advanced features like Street View, satellite imagery, real-time traffic data, turn-by-turn navigation, and integration with services like Google Business Listings, reviews, and public transportation schedules. It's feature-rich but also tied to Google's broader ecosystem. OpenStreetMap focuses on basic mapping and geolocation services. OSM doesn't offer proprietary features like Street View, but third-party applications can add advanced features using OSM data. For example, OSMN is a popular navigation app based on OSM data. 5. Use cases and flexibility. Google Maps, primarily used for mainstream navigation, finding businesses, and general location-based services. Its integration with Google services, search, reviews, etc., makes it ideal for daily users in urban environments. OpenStreetMap, often used in specialized or local projects. It's popular in humanitarian efforts, especially in remote or crisis areas where contributors update maps quickly. It's also favored by developers who need map data without the licensing restrictions that come with Google Maps. 6. Cost and accessibility. Google Maps, while free for most individual users, its API is cost associated for businesses and developers after a certain threshold of requests, which can become expensive for large-scale use. OpenStreetMap, free and open for both personal and commercial use. Anyone can use the data though if hosting large-scale services based on OSM, users may need to bear server costs. 7. Privacy. Google Maps. Google collects a lot of user data, including location history, search queries, and other personal data, which is often used for targeted advertising and other services. OpenStreetMap, as an open-source project, OSM doesn't track or store user data in the same way. It's often preferred by privacy-conscious users and organizations. Summary. Google Maps is ideal for general users who need comprehensive, reliable navigation, especially in urban and developed areas. It comes with a rich set of features but is proprietary. OpenStreetMap is great for developers, privacy-conscious users, or those looking to contribute to and use a highly customizable, community-driven map solution.